This is page 47 in your Handwriting Without Tears book. Let's go ahead and copy the words. D-I-G. D-ig. Dig, like I can dig a hole. Notice how the D goes above the cloud line and into the sky. So we'll go ahead and bring that up, down. The I stays in between, but the top of the I, or the dot on the I, floats above. G comes right underground. We're going to copy the word will. We're focusing on two different words here that have an I in the middle. So you can see these stay under the lines, these go on top of the lines, the I kind of floats between. Gate goes underground and it goes on top and reaches up to the sky. So that's kind of interesting. And we're also practicing our E that we had practiced. I forgot to trace this, so I'll do that now. And the sentence is Leo was lost. Leo was lost. Capital L, E-O. So I'll do that one first. Capital L, E-O. Was stays under the line, under the cloud line, so I will keep it under the cloud line and not going underground. Was, L-O-S-T, Leo was lost, period. L goes above the cloud line into the sky. The O and the S stay under the clouds. And then the T comes right above and then crosses kind of at the cloud line. Don't forget your period to stop your sentence. You can check that off. There's nothing really to color on this one except for the gate at the top. Feel free to color that if you want. You do not have to though. This will be the end of your page 47 lesson in your Handwriting Without Tears book.